So guys, welcome back again to another new video, and today we're going to make pizza. I'm going to use this to make the pizza. I'm not going to make the meal, but you can make the flour and everything, like the, what do you call tag in English. You can make this dough alone on your own. So for our ingredients, you're gonna need our tomato paste, and then you're gonna need, I'm going to make the Hawaiian pizza, so I'm gonna need the ananas, the tuna-fish, and then we're gonna put some we're gonna put some maize because my son loves them, and we're gonna just mix some things on top, like this one. I'm gonna put this one also. I'm going to put some mozzarella, and then I'm going to put some cheese. You don't need this, a lot of this. So we're gonna need like our water also here. I'm gonna boil it, right? It's boiling right now, and then we're gonna make the pizza. So enjoy. We're gonna open our our flour, pizza flour. We're gonna use the 2 sachets. If we're gonna use one, you're gonna need 125 milliliter of water, and you're gonna use 2 of them. So and then I'm gonna open.
Papa.
I'm gonna put it inside.
Babe, I want seat.
Gotcha.
Behind me. From the tire, nice tire.
So we're gonna now put the water, and then we mix it well.
Wow.
The water is lukewarm. You need lukewarm water. You don't need cold water. You need lukewarm water. So the type is good. We're going to put it off.
What is it?
You can see, no, you cannot eat this one. It's not for baking. And now I'm going to use my hands. Yeah, as you can see, it's good. I washed my surface here already. I'm just going to, I think I need a little bit of flour. I'm gonna use some flour to add on top. So guys, I'm just gonna add some small flour. Oh, that's too much. And then we knead it like this. Oh, today's pizza is going to be a small pizza.
For me?
For us. All of us, Baba. We have to share. Yeah, always have to share.
And the kids is sharing pizza.
So guys, our pizza type, or what do you call it? Dough? Our pizza type dough. Our pizza type is ready.
Mama, I said dough.
Right. Now you're gonna make the paste, and then you leave it this aside to rise. You're gonna cover it, and then that's it. See? Not sticking to my fingers. So guys, for our second step, we're gonna make the paste for the pizza. We're gonna need our olive oil. Just put small amount, and then we're gonna put our onion and our garlic to cook. Then we just fry it. The garlic are burning already. We're gonna add some small oil again. The garlic is getting too fast, so the onion to cook also. So guys, we're gonna add in our tomato paste. And then we just stir it. Oh, Can't even see anything on the camera. And now it's good. Here's where I put all the spices. I'm gonna put all these spices on my paste, and then I put some salt, and then you're good to go. So guys, the food is still too steamy. As you can see, I've added all the I cannot recall. Add all the spices. So guys, our paste is ready, as you can all see. It looks so yummy. So we're just going to go back to the third step, and then we are done. So as we do the third step, I'm going to the oven straight. I'm just going to switch it on to umlov, this one here, and then I'm going to put 175. This 120 is going to be too hot. There, this is enough. And then I'm just going to open and take off my baking things that I need. Place it up here. I'm going to remove this one on the side, and then we continue. To open up, oh, see, it has swollen, huh? It has rised up. Swollen is not the word to use. Guys, I'm a nurse and I'm used to those terms. Swollen. It has risen up. So guys, you're gonna put some flour here on the Arbeits Plus. Yeah. And then we take this one. Put here. And then we just make a circle.
Circle?
Yeah, to form a circle.
I don't want to share with you.
Then it's going to fit in our oven.
You're making the circle?
Yeah.
But
you don't need a circle because of our oven. Let's make something
number
like
8.
Like this. Number 8 for what?
We make number 8.
Then I'm gonna put some flour here. Then I turn it over to this side so that I can. One side is so big. I want to make it to have a moderate shape. As you can see, some parts are still too thick. Then I make it like this.
Do it like this?
Yeah. With a rectangle. Guys, we need a rectangle shape. Rectangle. So something like this. Now I'm just going to bring out the thing, and then we put the thing on. Here we have our pizza. We're gonna now put our tomato paste. We're gonna put our tomato paste. Here it is. Wow, it looks so yummy. Looks so yummy.
So yummy?
Yeah, it looks so yummy. The
Me
taste.
too, I look so yummy.
You too, you look so yummy. You? What do you mean by that? Eden is looking yummy. Where? In your face?
In the pizza.
You're in the pizza? And you're looking yummy?
My pizza is yummy. Best step.
You're almost done filling it. Here. So for this tomato paste, you need, if you want to buy the one which is ready made, you want need 250 grams from this tomato. Last time I made a very big tyke, so it's like medium, not heavy like the other one for last time. Guys, you know, I'm really trying to record and also to put the food here. If I use this, the stand is not recording well, but at least I did it with one hand so well. So right now we're gonna put in our cheese. Our cheese. Like this. Okay, now it's good. Then I'm gonna put it on top. Don't waste too much cheese on this flour. So, and then you're gonna add in our tonfish on one side. This is gonna be a very half pizza. One is for this part and the other side is for something else. So, right now we're going to add in our tuna. Just going to like spread it here. This tuna has to be so well put, otherwise
on pasta.
And then I'm gonna put half of it tuna, and the other half I'm just gonna put something else. I'm gonna put the other tuna. I'm just going to remove it from the container, from the things, and then I put it. The second can. So tuna, I love pizza tuna. I love it so much. But you have to put some onion. I don't like it with an onion on top. Too much onion for me. Yeah, something else. So now it looks fresh and yummy. I'm gonna put some ananas, and then yeah, the ananas. Then I'll just put them like this. It's too much. This video maybe it will bring 1 million euro. 1 million euro in our pockets. God manifesto. Let it bring 1 million euro. We leave Deutschland. So here we go. This is enough, guys. Yeah.
Mama said one.
This part is ready. Now we're going to put this side. We're gonna put some sausages. We have two remaining here. We're gonna put it just here, the other one here. Gonna put it just near each other, and then we still have some here. So what? Let's open it. So I'm gonna put it here. Here and here and here. So guys, I forgot to put some bacons, but I'm just going to pour it on top. I was supposed to put it down here, but I just remembered now, but it's not slim. I'm just going to put it like this on top here. I think that is enough. So you have to pull it up a little bit. No, you cannot eat it, just to be cooked first.
I don't want to be eaten.
Gotta put it up like this. Yeah. And then, so make sure it's pulled out correctly so that the cheese doesn't pour out.
Okay. Mama, you want just one piece?
No, you have to be cooked first, then you eat. Bitte. Yeah. So guys, if I don't use this thing right now, all of it is going to expire in the fridge. I have a family that they ignore things in the fridge and everything gets expired. So when I use also this one, just gonna put here. Here also in our tuna. I can put some in our tuna. It's not bad. It's smelling good. Oh my god.
Smelling good?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's smelling very good. I'll put some s'mores. Okay. Now adding our mozzarella too. That's here. Here. We need to eat some mozzarella too on the pizza.
I don't want to eat this fire.
What fire?
What is this?
This mozzarella.
Want to eat it?
Yeah, it's very good. Put it here in between.
Okay.
Mozzarella is very good. Good.
Want to eat this? Wow.
What is this one expired?
Now Mama's cook
17
pizza.
So guys, our normal pizza doesn't miss maize. When you have a kid, they love maize, so you have to do something for them too, because it's gonna eat all of them, all parts, not all of them, but all parts. So you have to put maize all over to also make him happy, you know. Just don't make yourself happy when you have a kid anymore. You just have to make your kid happy, no longer you. So and then guys, this is the last step. We're gonna add in our cheese everywhere. We're gonna put everything. We're gonna add in our cheese. You put it well in the middle. Also put it here so well. Our oven is already preheated, so it's ready. Just gonna put it inside. Put that here. Pull it out a little bit because our tuna is absorbing some oil. Yeah, so we can put it here also on our paper here. Again.
See, Mama, put my pasta on.
So guys, this is it.
Auntie.
Just gonna put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes, but it's normally ready by 20 minutes. So amen, may you cook well. See you in 20 minutes. So guys, here it's our pizza. It's ready.
Yeah.
I'm just going to serve it now. As you can see, that's how it looks like.
This is how it looks like.
It's so yummy. Let me make a thumbnail. I was trying to make a thumbnail and then I just switched off the whole phone. So let me try again. Don't remove your finger. He's already eating it. It's too hot. Yeah, my son is already hungry. So guys, here we go. Guys, here's the pizza. As you can see, it's really nice and yummy. So let us enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Wow.